So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset games on mini SNES mode, restore save data and reload ROM setting. Step 1 is in-game soft reset. Hold down left, right plus start plus select simultaneously. Release the button after 1 second. The game will reload to its main title screen. Second step is main menu reset. Press the physical reset button on the top of the SNES classic console. This action will exit your current game. You will be returned to the main console menu. Third step is delete specific game save progress. Highlight the game on the main menu, then press down on the D-pad to access the save or suspend point list. Select the specific save slot you wish to delete. Press Y on your controller to confirm deletion of the save file. Step 4 is wipe all saves in settings, factory reset. Go to the top menu bar on the main screen. Then select option, then choose factory reset. Confirm the prompt to wipe user data. Thanks for watching.